Zombie cocktail. Ingredients needed: white rum, dark rum, fresh lime juice, fresh orange juice, oranges, simple syrup, grenadine syrup, maraschino cherries. To make the zombie cocktail, we will use a bucket glass. Run a lime wedge around the top half of the glass. Put black seeds in a coster. Run the glass around the wet part of the glass until you create an even spread of seeds around the glass. Leave the bucked glass on the side and get a cocktail shaker to start mixing our ingredients. Start with white rum. Bacardi is a good choice, but every rum will do. Add 1.5 ounces of white rum in a glass. Next, the dark rum. Add 1.5 ounces of dark rum. Orange liquor. Add 3/4 ounces of Cointreau. Let's get a container glass to squeeze lime juice. Squeeze 2 small limes, or 1 big one. Add 3/4 ounces of lime juice, the fresh lime juice. Squeeze 1 orange. Add 1 ounce of the freshly squeezed orange juice into the mixer. Simple syrup. Add 3/4 ounce simple syrup. Grenadine syrup. Add 1/2 ounce of grenadine syrup. Fill the cocktail mixer with ice. Shake the mix for 30 seconds. Get the bucked glass and fill it with ice. Add an orange wheel on top of the ice for decoration. Pour the cocktail into the glass. For a final decoration, add some maraschino cherries. Enjoy the zombie cocktail.